Welcome, today we score a plant control room that is waiting on an alarm number. 3 live sensors already report: pressure band 1, vibration events 4, and heat utilization 1/2. The operator already chose weights 2, -1 and 3 boost pressure, penalize vibration, and boost heat. What is stuck is the single alarm score those two lists must become. By the end you will pair matching slots, multiply, then add, and read that score as one number. The idea that unlocks that alarm number is the dot product, a weighted sum. Take 2 equal-length lists, multiply matching slots, then add the products. It is not a new multiplication table. It is a compact way to say, compress 2 lists into one score. The same multiply add later scores an applicant or one neuron before activation, but the story here is the control room alarm. Pair first. The weight vector W is 2, -1, 3, importance, and sign for pressure, vibration, and heat in that fixed order. The reading vector X is 1, 4, 1/2. Each weight must sit only over the sensor it is meant to score. If the order drifts, the arithmetic silently mixes unlike quantities, a vibration penalty under a pressure reading. Multiply next. 2 times 1 is 2. -1 times 4 is -4, keep the minus sign, that is the vibration penalty. 3 times 1/2 is 1/2. So the 3 products are 2, -4, and 1/2, still 3 numbers, not yet the alarm score. Add last, 2 plus -4 plus 1/2. 2 minus 4 is -2. -2 plus 1/2 is -1/2. So the dot product W times X is -1/2, one scalar alarm score, not another vector. Back to the panel, each weight must keep the same slot order as its sensor. Shift X 1 slot to the right and 1 sits under -1, 4 sits under 3, and the first weight has nothing honest to multiply. That silently mixes a vibration reading under a heat weight. The numbers did not change. The pairing did. Multiply each matched weight with its sensor reading, the 3 products that feed the alarm score. 2 times 1 is 2. -1 times 4 is -4. 3 times 1/2 is 1/2. The 3 products are 2, -4, and 1/2. The trap, dropping the minus on the vibration term or pairing across slots, both invent a different score. Finish the control room score, add the 3 products, and name the alarm number. Add them. 2 plus -4 plus 1/2 is -1/2, so the alarm score W times X is -1/2. The trap, stopping after the products or treating the answer as another vector, both miss the scalar score. So the stuck control room is unstuck. Pair, multiply, then add. For weights 2, -1, 3, dotted with readings 1, 4, 1/2, the alarm score is -1/2. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the next linear algebra lesson lands in your feed. Then open this lesson in the ExamMaster app and continue while it is fresh.